Hello and welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hannah. Hi, everyone.
Alex, I am so proud of myself today. I washed all my dirty kitchen plates at home. I used sponge, cold water, and no soap. Fast and easy.
Ew, Alex, that is not clean. That is just moving the dirty bacteria around.
But they look clean to my eyes.
Looking clean is not enough, Alex. In a professional hotel kitchen, they must be perfectly safe. They have a very special system to clean the tables and the equipment. It is called the 3-bucket system.
3 buckets just to clean a table? That sounds like a lot of work.
It is necessary. To learn how this system kills bacteria, our reporter Sarah is talking to Chef Marco in the kitchen. Let's listen.
Listen carefully for these words: sanitize, rinse, and air dry.
Hello, Chef Marco. Why do you have 3 different buckets to clean this table?
Hello, Sarah, and hello, everyone. This is the 3-bucket system. We also call it WRS. It stands for wash, rinse, and sanitize. We use different colored buckets so we do not mix the liquids.
What is in the first bucket?
The first bucket is the red bucket. We use it to wash. It has warm water and good soap or detergent. We scrub the table to remove the food and dirt.
Okay, the table is washed. What is the second bucket?
The second bucket is the gray bucket. We use it to rinse. It only has plain hot water, no soap. We wipe the table to remove all the soap from step 1.
And the last bucket, the white one?
Yes, the third bucket is the white bucket. We use it to sanitize. It has a special chemical mixed with water, like chlorine. This sanitizing solution kills all the invisible bacteria.
So, wash, rinse, sanitize. After we sanitize, do we use a towel to dry the table?
No, that is very important. You must let the table air dry. If you use a towel, you might put new bacteria back on the clean table. You just wait and the air will dry it.
Wow. Red, gray, white. Wash, rinse, sanitize. Thank you, Chef Marco.
Wow, Alex. Now you know you cannot just use cold water and no soap.
Yes, I learned my lesson. Let's look at the vocabulary. Chef Marco talked about the WRS system. The R stands for rinse, R-I-N-S-E.
To rinse means to wash away the soap using clean, plain water. If you don't rinse, your table will be full of sticky soap.
The S stands for sanitize, S-A-N-I-T-I-Z-E.
To sanitize means to use a special chemical to kill 99% of bacteria. Washing removes the dirt, but sanitizing removes the danger.
Finally, he said we must let the table air dry, A-I-R, air, D-R-Y, dry.
Air dry means you do not use a towel or a cloth. You just leave the table wet, and the air in the room will slowly dry it. This keeps it 100% clean.
That is right. Okay, listeners, it is time for our kitchen quiz. Let's see if you remember Chef Marco's final rule for the 3-bucket system.
After you finish step 3, which is sanitizing the table, what must you do next?
Here is the question. What is the correct way to dry the table after you sanitize it? A. Wipe it with a paper towel. B. Wipe it with a clean cloth. C. Let it air dry.
Do you remember the rule? Is it A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comments section below. Now, let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, rinse, to wash away soap with plain water.
Sanitize, to kill bacteria with a chemical solution.
And air dry, to let something dry naturally in the air.
That's all for today. Go buy some soap and wash your dishes properly.
See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. Bye!
So long.